Welcome to YC Tech Solutions channel. In this video I am going to tell you that how you can create blog content or a website content using the Chat GPT. Suppose I want a blog post regarding how to back up a website. So in this context I will just float some questions and get the content from Chat GPT. First of all, suppose I don't know what are the best plugins to do this task, so I will write here in the audience. You can see it has provided me 3 best WordPress plugins which are most famous and commonly known: the Updraft Plus, Backup Buddy and the WordPress. In my next step I want a short introduction of any of them. So let's say I start with Updraft Plus plugin. So I have typed the question, write short introduction of Updraft Plus. So it has provided me a short paragraph regarding the introduction of Updraft Plus plugin, and in my next step or I would say in my next paragraph I want the features of using this plugin. So I write what are the features of this plugin. And you see it has provided me 10 features, or rather 10 functionalities that it provides to support backup process. And in my last paragraph of the website blog I want the actual practical steps that how we can start our backup process. So I will write here how to use this plugin to back up a website or blog. Now it is providing a step-by-step process. So it has provided me some steps from the installation and activation of the plugin to the backup of our whole website. So in this way we can generate a very comprehensive content for our blog posts on any topic within a minute. And suppose if we want 10 blog posts, we can also create the same within 10 minutes, which is quite efficient and a smart way to do things in this era of artificial intelligence. So hopefully you like this short video, and so please like and subscribe and keep on watching YC Tech Solutions.